Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Wheelhouse Wonders, where we bring you the most stylish and exciting car reviews. Today, we're diving into the sleek and sophisticated 2025 Hyundai Elantra, a compact sedan that continues to impress with its bold design, advanced technology, and efficient performance. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Elantra features a striking new look with a refined parametric grille, sharper LED headlights, and a sculpted front bumper that exudes a sporty yet upscale vibe. The sleek side profile is accentuated by bold character lines and aerodynamic elements, while the rear showcases a stylish LED light bar connecting the taillights, giving the Elantra a futuristic appeal. Available in a range of vibrant colors and with options for 16-inch to 18-inch alloy wheels, the Elantra stands out in any setting, whether in the city or on the highway. Moving to the interior, Hyundai has designed a driver-centric cockpit with a premium feel, offering high-quality materials and a tech-forward approach. The 2025 model features a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster alongside a matching infotainment touchscreen, seamlessly integrated for an ultramodern look, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an upgraded Bose premium sound system enhance connectivity and entertainment, while the cabin provides excellent comfort with available ventilated seats, ambient lighting, and a spacious layout. Rear passengers enjoy ample legroom, and the trunk space remains generous, making the Elantra a practical choice for daily commutes and long trips. Under the hood, the performance is equally impressive, with a standard 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine delivering around 147 horsepower for smooth and efficient driving. For those seeking more excitement, the turbocharged 1.6-liter engine in the inline variant provides a sportier feel with 201 horsepower and a dual-clutch transmission that enhances responsiveness. Additionally, the hybrid model offers excellent fuel efficiency, combining an electric motor with a 1.6-liter engine for an estimated 50-plus mpg, catering to eco-conscious drivers. On the safety features front, Hyundai continues to lead with its SmartSense suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot collision avoidance, rear cross-traffic alert, and an advanced driver attention warning system, ensuring top-notch protection for occupants. The unique selling points of the 2025 Elantra lie in its bold styling, cutting-edge technology, and a variety of powertrain options, making it an ideal blend of efficiency, performance, and affordability. Whether you prefer a fuel-efficient ride or a sporty driving experience, the Elantra offers something for everyone. As for the price, Hyundai has positioned the Elantra competitively with a starting price of around $22,000, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious buyers without compromising on features. In conclusion, the 2025 Hyundai Elantra is a standout choice in the compact sedan segment, offering style, comfort, and advanced technology in a well-rounded package. Thanks for watching Wheelhouse Wonders, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting car reviews.